Wala na ang tagisan ng tunay na lakas. 5 on the floor para sa mga nakaputing. Barangay Ginebra, Jim Kings. Tenorio, Thompson in the backcourt. Aguilar, Devance, and Brownlee naman sa frontcourt. As we take a look at the Fast and the Furious on the bench, and of course the crowd erupts. Aljon Mariano and Rem in the frame. He's a rookie, but he's played very well in spots. Anyway, dribblers, tamang sagot sa ating Phoenix Cyclomax Moneyball question ay number 3. 40 na si JJ Helterbrand ng Barangay Ginebra sa kanyang kaarawan ngayong araw. Happy 40th, JJ. Umpisa ng second quarter, natin sa atin ng Cobra Energy Drink. Kung meron ka nito, wala kang talo. Defensive stop immediately para sa Barangay Ginebra. Nagkama na rin si The Spark. And he lays it in on the fast break. Labing isang kalamangan. Tira natin ang depensa na ginagawa ng mga nakaputi.
Yeah, they're actually pressuring hard at nagkakaroon talaga ng...
Kaya magiging X-factor dito. Who's the guy that's going to come in on a Friday game, on a Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and make the difference? Rob is making a name for himself right here in this. Wow!
Pero, napakainit ng opensa naman ng Barangay Ginebra. Hindi mapigilan.
We get a little inspiration coming here, guys. Maybe we need to light a fire. 2 new subs coming in.
Wow. Sino kaya ang pinasok, di ba?
Si Coach Tim naman, ginamit naman niya yung Fast and the Furious tandem.
Itong Meralco sa output ng Barangay Ginebra. Look at that, harassing defense, however, from the Barangay. Now, Hodgkov to double. Snapped away by Helterbrand.
Great scramble.
JJ goes to Mark. Caguioa naman ang atake. Iniwan for service. Andun si Karam. JJ!
Wow! Happy birthday, JJ! You're making plays! Start the quarter. This 3, a steal right before this possession, a great defensive possession, comes in and makes an impact.
Scotty. Stop and pop. Can't get it to go. Uy! Ganda ng box out naman ni Mark Caguioa. Tumira pa sa ilalim. Pasok!
That's definitely going to pump up this crowd. You know, Jake Windy saw it in the veteran JJ Helterbrand hit that 3 and also strip someone on defense. Dito naman si Mark Caguioa making that energy play, getting that offensive rebound.
Malas daw nila sa opensa, huwag din nilang dalhin yung frustration sa kanilang depensa. And that resulted, of course, in a 39 explosion. With the injection of JJ Helterbrand, nakita natin Charlie, feeling inspired itong Barangay Ginebra.
JJ and Mark, who have started this whole run, he hasn't missed a shot.
He got 8 points already. Ang hirap ng role niya, Coach Alex, because the hardest part about a player is just to always be ready, mentally and physically, na bigla ka na lang bubunutin ng iyong coach kung kailan ka talaga kinakailangan.
Well, yung mga klase ni JJ, ni Mark, hindi mararato sa ganito eh. Mga championship veteran experience, yun ang meron sila. Hindi lang sila magaling. They've been here. Great series, guys. This is just really a great series.
So far, one of the best. Through 3-quarter games. Mark Caguioa, crossover. Jumper!
Wow, how about the vets making plays?
I'm not surprised anymore when Mark takes charge because I've seen him throughout his career when he takes charge like that.
Nakagaw ang Ginebra. Scotty Thompson. Kicks it out to JJ.
Alam mo, wala na biglang Ginebra, playing with a lot of heart. And now they're, back in this game, score is time.
Oh my, JJ! Wow!
JJ grabbing his shorts as well. Near half court. But the effort they've given has given them a 3-point lead with 4:33 to go in game number 4. Never looking to tie the series. Hodge tumanggap. Na kay Newsom. Newsom. 2 to go. What's Newsom gonna do? Take the jumper. And he missed at the buzzer. The defense of Barangay Ginebra thwarts that last offensive by the Bulls.
That was great defense right there.